Good evening to one and all present here, to all of our viewers. This is Mahi Jimnani, and I welcome all of you to the second Tech Talk presented by Technique 13.0. Today, we have with us Mr. Jatin Vahane. He is a senior scientist. He is in the scientific advisory for Orbitex and will be launching India's second reusable launch vehicle. He is the youngest physics researcher in India. He's also an astronaut and trainee. He has been a gold medalist in International Astrophysics Championship, gold medalist in International Math Program Olympiad. He has been a nominee for Bharat Gaurav Puraskar 2019 and also has been the Padma Shri nominee in 2019. He is a robotician and he is also a member of BRICS, India Russia Youth Forum, India Russia Business Forum. He is a Russian scholar. He's a motivational speaker, a TEDx speaker. He has been the finalist of a reality show named Finding Kalam. He is now going around educating children all over India about how to make robots. And he has also researched on postulates proving general and special relativity of Dr. Albert Einstein wrong. He has also been the youth icon 2019. So before I start, sir, how इतना सारा तो मतलब normal students be like हम क्या करें job छोड़ दें अभी
इवन जब भी मुझे सीवी लिखना होता है ना, आई एम लाइक यार याद करना पड़ता है ओ क्या क्या किए थे क्या क्या किए
Yeah, I remember you sending me. This is from top of my head.
yeah that was like I need to update it and like कौन करेगा यार तो to be honest मुझे आई एम स्टिल कंफ्यूज कि यार मैं जिंदगी में क्या कर रहा हूँ एक फील्ड तो हो इंसान की लाइक सभी चीजों में घुसे पड़े आई एम स्टिल कंफ्यूज्ड अबाउट दैट
You're proving wrong that as well. Jack of all trades, master of none. वो भी आपने wrong prove कर दिया.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है बिल्कुल नहीं है ऐसा होता तो पढ़ाई में अच्छे होते थोड़े
You are a gold medalist, right? Of this math
okay
program Olympiad and astrophysics championship. वो पढ़ाई का ही होता है ना सर?
I'll tell you that in my session, okay? I'll tell you
Okay,
how
fine.
good I am.
Cool. So, sir, moving ahead, I welcome you and I'm glad to have you for Technique 13.0.
Thank you for inviting me to NMIMS. Glad to be a part of I love the name Technique, and it's sort of like it also comes along with like Takdeer and Technique. I don't know why I just related it. It sounds like perfect to me.
Wow. Even that didn't come in my head. I've been in the department for 3 years.
Okay. So should we begin?
Yeah, sure. So, we had a lot of questions which a lot of students asked. Some were technical as well, and some were mostly based on. So, yeah.
General question. Hmm.
Yes. So, beginning with the first question, first was, so how do you spend your free time?
Uh, is it okay if I describe my like I don't know what like at that moments in Hindi because feelings हिंदी में ज्यादा अच्छे से लगती है, okay
आप पूरा
so
सेशन इन
no कुछ ऐसी भी चीजें आएगी जो हिंदी में ही ज्यादा मतलब will come to that part okay
Yeah.
so like whenever I get free time I'm a very casual guy when I travel a lot तो मैं एक टी शर्ट एंड एक लोअर डाल के ही ट्रैवल करता आई डोंट लाइक फॉर्मल ड्रेसेस सो लाइक कभी भी आपको जिंदगी में मोटिवेशन की जरूरत हो ना यू डोंट नीड अ मोटिवेशन स्पीकर यू जस्ट गेट इनटू अ जनरल कोच और अ स्लीपर कोच ट्रस्ट
Oh.
मी whenever I get free time I get into a sleeper coach like and randomly लोग आपको पूछेंगे कि आप क्या करते हो and I just tell them like I'm an engineering student third year fourth year like which suits my age and I'm like back nahi nikal rahe and stuff like that and you make great friends there trust me जब भी मैं बोर होता हूँ I travel or like if you get into a bigger class people don't talk much but if you get into sleeper class you'll meet a lot of people I love talking to strangers I love talking to strangers more than friends okay इतने पर्सपेक्टिव्स मिलते हैं आपको चीजें इतनी नई चीजें मिलती इतने लोगों के बात करने का तरीका लैंग्वेज खाने पीने का तरीका ट्रेडिशंस कल्चर इतना सही आपको उनका नेचुरल तरीका देखने मिलता है ट्रस्ट मी दैट इज द बेस्ट वे आई I like to spend my day when I'm free. And sometimes I sketch and do that genuine things.
Oh, sketching is so cool. I really like it. And then, so like there was this one question. Who drew you to this field, like astrophysics and astronauts? Like you have some role model or something?
Mm, this story is weird now. Okay. So I was in fifth grade. Okay.
Yeah.
And I don't know how, like, space was a trend in other countries. So उस समय मुझे ऐसा लगा astronaut बनना. It was the first time जब मुझे लगा कि astronaut बनना है. I just wanted to go in space. I don't know कि वहाँ क्या करते हैं. And I also was unaware कि कैसे बनते हैं. Okay. So I was in my fifth grade and मुझे नहीं पता था कि astronaut क्या करते हैं कैसे. बस I was aware कि हाँ वो उनकी लाइफ थोड़ी अजीब होती है. तो I don't used to brush my teeth. I don't used to apply soaps because वो लोग भी नहीं करते. I was like जब एस्ट्रोनॉट बनेंगे तब हम ये सब दिक्कतें नहीं होनी चाहिए. So you know uh, it was like initially it was an emotion कि आप अटैच हो गए उस चीज से. And when I grew up, इंडिया में शायद ही कोई ऐसा बच्चा हो जिनके ये इंस्पिरेशन नहीं हो. डॉक्टर अब्दुल कलाम. He was my great like biggest inspiration. जब भी मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि जतिन नहीं है, अब नहीं हो सकता. एंड आई लुक अप एट दैट गाय एंड लाइक यार इन्होंने इतना कर लिया तो आप थोड़ा सा तो और इफेक्ट मार सकते. सो दिस इज हाउ आई ट्राई टू cope up with my things.
That's so good. Nice. And also, like related to this only, we had another question. Just a minute. Yeah. What is the biggest, like, how do you deal with failure? First of all, this.
How do I deal with my failures? Okay, that's um ik, ik, I'll first sum it up in one line and I'll describe it later. कि बड़े लोगों के साथ ये सब होता. Whenever I used to feel low कि ये सब हो गया, like I feel like I'm failed, like I'm devastated, और कुछ नहीं बचा है जिंदगी. So I walk a lot in situations and like अचानक से एक आवाज आती है, जतिन अगर ये सब बुरी चीजें नहीं होगी तो जब तेरी किस्से सुनाएगा तू, जब तू अपनी सक्सेस स्टोरी सुनाएगा तो क्या सुनाएगा. Like if everything is positive, मजा ही कहाँ है. Like if आप किसी की भी बायोग्राफी देख लो, आपको वो जो फेलियर्स है वही अटैचमेंट देते हैं. तो लाइक आई डोंट वांट टू राइट अ बायोग्राफी बट इट फील्स लाइक कि हाँ यार बड़े लोगों के साथ होता है. तो that is the one liner I'd like to say कि हाँ बड़े लोगों के साथ होता है. एंड बड़ा ही तो बनना है, तो ये आपके साथ भी होगा. एंड that's it I'd like to say.
That's very deep. I'm gonna use it now.
That's not deep. We all use it someday, but in a funny sense, in a sarcastic sense. But you can use it as a motivation.
Yeah, that's what. And like about dealing with failure. So what's like the biggest setback you've got in your like career or like anything, not even career? Some as a setback that was like really devastating for you.
I thought like the most devastating thing was like I was very careless with my documents. Okay, I thought कि पढ़ाई में अच्छे नहीं. So like you don't keep your mark sheet framed. Okay, you don't keep your academics very neat and clean. So I got the opportunity to study in Russia. I got a lot of opportunities, but the thing was at the end I was like, where are my documents, where are my mark sheets? And I was like, damn, I should have kept it. And another failure I'd like to think about about my career was initially when you are booming up, you think like if you're getting jobs, you think like let's just start
Hmm.
करते बाकी ड्रीम भी करेंगे but let's just start making money. And I thought कि I did it very early. Like I started making money in around my 15th 14th or 15th. Okay, and I was like कि थोड़ा सा अगर और समय देता, maybe it could have been. That was the worst decision I think I made to make money.
So but earning at the age of 14 and 15,
The thing is, you are earning, but the thing is, what will you do at the end? What will you do if it
Mm,
cost you your dreams, right? It's very
yeah,
expensive. Yeah.
true that. But so like, I still have this question: how? Matlab, what path did you follow, which led you to this?
Like, see, I was very sure ki uh, I don't want to do something which takes a path of the academics. Like, so I thought what to do about it. So I started finding the other ways. Like, for instance, if you can't go straight, you can turn around and go. So I was thinking about the alternatives, and I was very unsure that what my future will be. And suddenly I went to an exhibition which was sponsored by NASA and stuff. And I went there, and I was like, I was around the top in the top 10, and sooner they realized I was not eligible. Okay, the exhibition was for the people who were above 18, and I was, I guess, 15 then. And they were like, 15 साल के बच्चे top 10 में कैसे आ गए? And they were like, everybody was like, यार ये कौन है, ये कौन है? And people from NASA, people from Russia, there were people from different countries, and they came up to me and like, would you like to study in our country? And I was like, why not? Why not? Like, the thing was, you are in an engineering college,
Yeah,
JEE क्या चीज होती
as
and you yeah, so it's very unlikely that a student like me would get a privileged college, so why not? And also, apart from that, Russia is one of the best country with aerospace background, the first person in space, the first person opening a cabinet in space, Russians. So why not? This is how I went, and then the journey started to find different ways and exploring things.
that's so great. Nice.
Not great. That's a coincidence. Because
First,
if they knew I was not 18, I would have been, disqualified initially. So so I just saved my ass.
true. And one question: what is the best job decision you've ever made? The best one till date, and the worst as well.
Okay. My best decision was to join Orbitex. Okay.
Yeah.
Not because I'm still an employee, but because, it deals with the thing I love. They are making rockets, and if I talk about ISRO, if I talk about NASA, they are not developing much. They're just focusing on research, okay, on the data they get. But if I talk about the industry which is developing, they are in the process of making rockets, and this process is what I'm in love with. I'm not in love with the end product. Okay, so this process, that was the best decision I made, and also the best decision I made in my life, according to in terms of my jobs, is quitting the rest jobs. Okay, it's like you can get jobs, but it is, if you don't love the job, it's like useless. You are a slave. It's a bad term, but you are working for someone else's dream. Okay, he's
Yeah.
paying you. That's it. It's slavery. I That was the decision I made. I think I am proud of. And the worst decision I made is, I guess, joining them, joining them earlier. The
Joining.
other jobs, joining the other jobs earlier. You know whom I'm talking about.
I know that.
All the highly reputed organizations,
Yeah.
all the space agencies.
Got it, sir. And how do you maintain a work-life balance? And that's very important.
So work like I'll tell you. I'll also tell you, a couple of more examples and a couple of more answers, if you may allow.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's like, today's 13th, right? You know what's special about 13th?
No, what?
It is a pre-Valentine Day. आज के दिन हर बंदा या हर बंदी who's planning to propose or who's planning to tell their feelings the next day, आज वो अपने ख्यालों में जीतेगा, वो प्रपोज करेगा, वो बताएगा, उसको हाँ भी मिलेगा. He is celebrating in his dreams. Okay, so I'd like to take this question from there. The question was, uh, can you please repeat the question?
Yeah. How do you
Sorry.
maintain a work-life balance?
So the thing is, uh, if I talk about personal life, हमारी age में it's most like parents के साथ it's okay. But what we talk about is a simple question. Everybody asks me about this very question is career versus प्यार. Everybody has the same question at this age कि यार क्या select करना चाहिए, क्या select करना चाहिए, दोनों को समय देना है. It's this question is as stupid as you want oxygen or food. Trust me, we need both. Okay, and like if you need to select one in case in any situation, this is still not the right question. The right question is supposed to be आपको प्यार किससे ज्यादा है? उस इंसान से आप ज्यादा प्यार करते हो या उस मंजिल से या उस पोजीशन से या फिर ड्रीम से आप ज्यादा प्यार करते हो, and then you can select, right? So this is the first part of the question. Yes, I guess that sums up कि आप पर्सनल और प्रोफेशनल लाइफ कैसे करते हो. यू जस्ट नीड टू टेक इट अलोंग. लाइक अब जरूरी नहीं आप इसको अलग अलग रखना चाहिए. लाइक मे बी आई कैन कीप बोथ स्टेबल. आप मैं घर जाके जो भी मेरे मतलब जिनसे मैं प्यार करता हूँ, जिनके साथ भी मैं पर्सनल टाइम स्पेंड करता हूँ, मैं उन्हें भी बता सकता हूँ मैंने प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में क्या किया. मैं अभी प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में एज अ सेशन मैं पर्सनल लाइफ ही डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ, राइट? सो यू कैन टेक इट अलोंग. ऐसा नहीं कि आपको अलग अलग रखना. तो
Yeah,
I'd like to sum it this way.
that's great. That's a very out of the box answer. Like no one really says this.
No, everybody is like ये समय है, करियर बना लो. फिर everybody is like हाँ हो गया, अब पर्सनल लाइफ बना लो. इट्स ऐसा कोई क्राइटेरिया नहीं है ना. इट्स माय डिसीजन. एंड
Yeah,
if you are kept capable enough, you can take things along.
true. That's good.
And एंड आज ये प्रोफेसर्स को नहीं समझेगा. तो ये सर अगर आप लोग ये सेशन सुन रहे हैं तो ये पार्ट को इग्नोर कीजिए. बट स्टूडेंट्स को पता है जब वो बहाना बनता है ना कि अभी मेरी पढ़ाई है, आई कांट टॉक टू यू, इसका रीजन पढ़ाई नहीं होता, इसका रीजन कुछ और होता है. और ये सब आप समझ जाए.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Also, sir, like one question was asked, and what advice would you give someone wanting to pursue a career similar to yours?
Be crazy. Trust me, I started with stupid things like I was in a hostel and हाँ हॉस्टल का मेस का खाना बहुत खराब होता है. कभी मौका मिले तो मत खाना. Okay, तो इट्स आई वाज लाइक कि कुछ लाइक अभी हम हमें लाइक स्नैक्स में ना वी यूज्ड टू गेट अ बनाना एंड अ टी. एंड bananas were like kind of raw. तो समझ में नहीं आता था क्या है. तो आई यूज्ड टू डिप द बनाना इनसाइड द टी एंड आई यूज्ड टू ट्राई दैट. I tried, rice with ice cream. I tried different experiments. Okay, we tried to do a lot of crazy things, and वहां से you build up creativity. हाँ, हो सकता है आप जरूरी नहीं है कि वो टेस्ट अच्छा, बट यू बिल्ड क्रिएटिव थिंग्स. आपका दिमाग क्रिएटिव तरीकों से चलता है. फिर धीरे 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 आप भले आई स्टार्टेड विद फूड बट आई वेंट टू डिफरेंट लेवल्स. आई स्टार्टेड एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग विद थिंग्स एंड सो ऑन. सो आप
Yeah,
क्रिएटिव मेंटालिटी कहीं भी लगा सकते हो, जिसे हम हिंदी में जुगाड़ भी कहते हैं. कहीं भी लगा सकते हो. एंड दैट बिल्ड्स अ पर्सपेक्टिव कि आप चीजों को किस तरीके से देखो. सो दिस इज द ओनली एडवाइस. आप शर्म मत करो. एंड
mm,
ट्रस्ट मी, आज भी अगर आप मेरे कॉलेज के दोस्तों को जाके पूछोगे ना, या आप उनको कभी बनाना खाते देखोगे, वो चाय में डुबा के ही खाते. उन्हें वो आदत लग चुकी है. भले वो आई नो दैट्स वियर्ड, दैट्स वे टू वियर्ड. आई वोंट एडवाइस यू दैट, बट यस होता है. Everybody was like, जतनी क्या खा रहा है तू, बट इवेंचुअली everybody liked it. सो आज भी जब भी एक बनाना मिलता है मेरे हॉस्टल में ना, वहां के वार्डन्स को भी याद है इसके साथ चाय देते हैं। लाइक इट्स सच टाइप ऑफ थिंग। आप क्रेजी चीजों से शुरू करते हो, बट इवेंचुअली वो काफी अच्छी हो सकती है। इनफैक्ट मेरी थियरीज के आइडियाज आजकल बहुत सारे फूड की चीजों से आते हैं। मैं खाना खा रहा होता हूँ या मैं कुछ अजीब चीजें करते होता हूँ, तभी मुझे आइडिया। ऐसा नहीं कि यू सिट डाउन एंड लाइक आइडिया ना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं चलता। You do random things, उसी में आता
That's like so many norms broken at once. For a
है। Yeah.
lot of, यार serious बनोगे तो ही हो पाएगा, focus करोगे तो ही। तो yeah, so that's like really good to know. Boost मिल गया हम लोग को और ज्यादा अभी। Please.
वो आप पढ़ ही रहे हो तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला। द थिंग इज, हाँ, इट्स लाइक अगर मुझे, लेट अस अज्यूम कोई बहुत बंदा बहुत अच्छा है मैथ्स में, अगर वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ वही चीजों में अच्छा है जो बुक्स में लिखी हुई है, तो आई विल बाय कैलकुलेटर रेदर देन हायरिंग। ओके, जब वो चीजें मुझे एक मशीन करके दे सकता है, व्हाई वुड आई? यू नीड अ क्रिएटिव माइंडसेट जिसके कारण यू कैन गेन सम इम्पोर्टेंस। हाँ, ये चीज है जो दूसरा आदमी या दूसरी कोई मशीन नहीं कर सकती। दैट इज योर इम्पोर्टेंस। और इन द फील्ड ऑफ साइंस, स्पेशली रिसर्च, you don't have to sit in a lab, you don't have to, go to an office, you just have to think। और आप दिमाग को ही मेंटेन नहीं करोगे, तो चीजें नहीं होने वाली हैं। और मेंटेलिटी, वो क्रिएटिवनेस लाने के लिए आपको नीड टाइम, सालों लग जाते हैं, तब जाके यू बिल्ड।
But that's you know, sir. So and yeah, so like how was hostel life for you apart from the mess thing? Now I know about that.
No, including the mess thing, it was the best period of my life. Okay. um okay, I'll add up a story.
Yeah.
हाँ, बाय द वे, ये मेरी स्टोरी नहीं है, मेरे दोस्त की स्टोरी है। तो द थिंग इज कि टॉकिंग अबाउट वैलेंटाइंस डे, टॉकिंग अबाउट लव, एक ऐसी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है जो अगर इंसान अगर खुद को खुशकिस्मत समझ रहा है, ना समझे, तुमने बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज मिस की हो, दैट इज रिजेक्शन।
Yeah.
ओके, अगर आपने रिजेक्शन नहीं फेस किया, ट्रस्ट में आप बड़े नहीं हुआ जब तक आपको रिजेक्शन की आदत नहीं लगी है ना। और रिजेक्शन लेके आप ऐसी हरकतें करोगे कि लाइक द टिपिकल नस काटना एंड सॉर्ट ऑफ स्टफ, इंतकाम देखेगी सॉर्ट ऑफ स्टफ, इज यूजलेस। बिकॉज वो तुमको अभी नहीं देख रही, तुम्हारा इंतकाम भी नहीं देखने आने वाली, ठीक है? एज सिंपल एज दैट। सो द थिंग इज, वो एक समय होता है कि नो कई बार होता है कि आप किसी को बता नहीं पाते हो। अगर बताते हो तो जरूरी नहीं कि उधर से सेम फीलिंग्स हो। अगर हो भी, डजंट मीन कि वो चले, नॉट ओके। सो उस पीरियड के बाद, हाँ, बाय द वे, दैट डू यू रिमेम्बर द फर्स्ट क्रश यू हैड? द वेरी फर्स्ट क्रश यू हैड, लाइक होगा वो 7th 8th समय की बात होगी। द स्वीट पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ, जब आप सिर्फ देख के ही स्माइल कर देते थे और आप किसी को बताते नहीं थे, बट पूरे क्लास को समझ में आ जाता था कि आप इसे पसंद करते हो, या आप जो भी फीलिंग्स है। वो अलग बात है, आप वो उनको पता चले तो कैसे रिएक्ट करते हैं, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम जब ये चीज एंड होती है, तो मे बी रिजेक्शन से और मे बी किसी और तरीके से, मे बी कुछ समय चलने के बाद, जब वो चीजें एंड होती है ना, मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल, स्पेशली लड़कों की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, एक चीज आती है 8th 9th की बहुत छोटी सी उम्र कि यार कुछ भी हो जाए, भले इसके लिए सक्सेसफुल बनना पड़े, इसके लिए दुनिया का सबसे अमीर आदमी बनना पड़े, इसके लिए इसके माँ बाप से झगड़ना पड़े, इसके लिए टीचर से झगड़ना पड़े, मैं तो इसी के साथ रहूं। 8th 9th की उम्र होती है, हर इंसान ये करता है लगभग, खास करके लड़कों की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ। बट इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द सेम आइडिया, हम ये उम्र में क्या करते हैं? इफ आई टॉक अबाउट एनी करियर प्लान, हम लेट अस अज्यूम एक स्टार्टअप खोल रहे हैं। 2 साल ये ट्राई करूंगा आइडिया, चला तो ठीक, नहीं तो फिर मैं नॉर्मल जॉब करूँ। तो अगर तुम 8th 9th की उम्र में ये डिसीजन लेने के लिए इतना मैच्योर थे कि यार, भले तुमने बोला, भले उस पे तुम मतलब वर्क नहीं किया, बट एटलीस्ट तुमने बोला था उसके लिए जिंदगी भर तक ये मेहनत कर सकता हूँ ताकि उसके साथ रहना पड़े। अगर आप 8th 9th की उम्र में इतना बड़ा डेडिकेशन शो कर सकते हो तो आप आपके ड्रीम के लिए क्यों नहीं कर सकते? ओके, ये चीज मैंने अपने हॉस्पिटल में सीखी कि ठीक है, भले अगर आप इतना समय जो भी करियर के लिए अगर आप, मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि प्यार छोड़ के करियर को ही देखो, पर अगर आप डेडिकेशन अपने लव लाइफ में दिखा सकते हो, सेम डेडिकेशन अपने ड्रीम में क्यों नहीं दिखा सकते? ओके, जैसे फॉर इंस्टेंस आप जब नया फोन खरीदते हो, लेट अस अज्यूम कि आपने एक आईफोन खरीदा, घर वाले नहीं थे अच्छा कि नॉर्मल फोन खरीदते, बट आपने जिद करके अगर आईफोन खरीदा और आपको समझ में आ रहा है इसमें प्ले स्टोर नहीं, इसमें आपके वो एप्स नहीं चलते जो बाकी पहले के फोन में चलते थे, पर आप ये दिक्कतें घर पे नहीं बताओ। आपके फोन में कितनी भी दिक्कतें हो, आपके फोन में जो अच्छी चीज है जो बाकी फोन में नहीं है, आप वो एम्फेसाइज करो, राइट? सिमिलरली आप जब यही चीजें छोटी छोटी चीजों में आप अपने लाइफ में करते हो, तो जब आपकी लाइफ में स्ट्रगल्स आते हैं, जब आपके करियर लाइफ में स्ट्रगल्स आते हैं, तो आप क्यों कंप्लेन करते हो कि यार ये हो रहा है मेरे साथ, वो हो रहा है? आप बहाने बनाने लगते हो। मे भी हो सकता है कुछ समय आप आपके करियर के साथ रहो तो आपको भी वो यूनिक चीजें मिले आपके करियर में जो बाकी लोगों के करियर में नहीं। सो
True.
लाइक वी ऑल हैव स्मॉल मोटिवेशंस, वी डू सच थिंग्स जो बहुत बड़ा इम्पैक्ट डाल सकती है, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू द लॉन्ग टर्म ऑफ योर लाइफ, जो चीजें जिंदगी भर चलने वाली है, वी डोंट अप्लाई इट। मे बी वी आर जस्ट अफ्रेड हम फेल हो जाए।
That. Also, like, it's the basic human tendency, like, psychology, I'll call it, कि we just tend to, see the only the bad things, कि मेरे साथ ही क्यों होता है ये. कोई ये
नहीं
नहीं
मैं
बोलेगा मेरे साथ ये भी तो हुआ, अच्छी चीजें भी हुई, वो कोई नहीं देखता.
वो कब करते हैं, वो यूजुअली कौन लोग करते हैं जो यू नो मैं कहूंगा एवरेज से नीचे, विच इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एक्सेसिव शो ऑफ। Okay, I'd like to sum it in 3 words: excessive show off. It's like अगर एक इंसान जिसने पता है मेहनत किया है, जिसने
Yeah.
बहुत मेहनत करके कुछ अचीव किया है, वो कभी अपने काम पे घमंड नहीं दिखा सकता, बिकॉज उसको पता है कि उसने कितने स्ट्रगल्स फेस किए। इफ आई टॉक अबाउट पीपल जो बेमतलब की बातें करते हैं, आप उनको उन कैटेगरीज में डाल सकते हैं।
Okay, so we had some. Okay, before that, we had this question: can Mars be a future home? Throw your lights
कैन
on.
बी,
Can
it
be.
can be your home, but the thing is, the challenges we have is that planet is too cold, right? First, जो हम अर्थ के साथ कर रहे हैं, हमें वो वहां करना पड़ेगा। ग्लोबल वार्मिंग, ओके, हमें वहां की ग्लेशियर्स मेल्ट करने पड़ेंगे, एंड फिर वहां पे हमें कुछ कुछ सोर्सेस के थ्रू ऑक्सीजन ले जाना पड़ेगा। वी हैव टू कल्टीवेट क्रॉप्स, एंड देन वी कैन थिंक अबाउट इट। तो इट्स लाइक मेकिंग अ प्लैनेट, इट्स जस्ट अ पीस ऑफ लैंड देयर। आपको बाकी की इंग्रेडिएंट्स आपको बिल्ड करना है, तो पॉसिबल है, बट इट इज a way, like long thing. Come se come you can expect 100 to 200 years to call it as a home. Till then, research can be done. Like astronauts जा सकते हैं, they can do experiments there. They can try to be for several months, but calling it a home for before 200 years, it's impossible.
Got it. I hope he gets that.
Mhm.
And uh, so there's this question: any inside information you know about the Perseverance rover?
Classified.
Classifying. Yeah,
That's the only thing.
that's true. You can't. So, like, so one question: how to stay dedicated to a passion and achieve things in young age?
Uh, I don't know this is the right word to say at a platform or not, but it's this is the most accurate word to which people can relate, but I'm not sure if I should say this or not. In Hindi, it's called chul. Okay, it means it's a slang which means like you are curious about anything, like in the way you cannot think. I'm not sure how to explain this. It's like For instance, if I'm not allowed to do a certain thing, I'll do that.
ओके, वो चुल मचती है अंदर अंदर ये करने की।
हाँ
ओके
हाँ
यार।
हाँ हाँ, exactly. So, you know, this is the thing which can, you know, like for instance, अगर मैं क्लास में लोगों के साथ बैठा हूँ, अगर मेरे अंदर वो फीलिंग नहीं है कि यार कुछ नया करना है, तो you cannot be, you know, above them or, you know, outside of the crowd. For that, you need, you know, for to be unique, तुमको नई चीजें ढूंढ के आनी पड़ेगी, हर बार कुछ नया करके दिखाना। अगर आप वही रेगुलर चीजें कर रहे हो, तो यू आर स्टिल अमंग देम। तो आपको वो मेंटालिटी या वो चीजें या वो स्किल्स सीखनी पड़ेगी जो उनके पास नहीं। बट अगर आप उसी को लॉन्ग टर्म में करना चाहो, तो वो स्किल्स आपके भी काम आनी चाहिए। ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि लाइक हर एक के पास लाइक मैं बाल कलर करके आ जाऊं कि हाँ मैं अलग दिखूंगा, दैट्स यूजलेस। उससे क्या हो जाएगा? अ स्किल व्हिच कैन बी बेनिफिशियल फॉर यू, उससे यू नो यू स्टार्ट दैट वे। आप जरूरी नहीं है कि आप यू नो डायरेक्ट एक लेवल पे पहुंच गए, यू स्टार्ट स्लो, धीरे 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 कैन बिल्ड। आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर, मैं बहुत छोटा था, आई गेस लाइक फोर्थ और फिफ्थ ग्रेड में था, एंड मैं ज्यादा खेलने नहीं जाता था बाहर से। एंड हैव यू प्लेड दैट गेम कि आप मोटर से एक सेल लगाते हो, मोटर घूमता है लाइक बचपन में? तो इट्स लाइक आप बैटरी लगाओ, आप ज्यादा तेजी से घूमे। तो आई वाज लाइक, चलिए अगर इसको मैंने इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट में लगा दिया जो एसी करंट आ रहा है, तो कितनी जोर से घूमेगा। तो यू नो एक कारपेट था, उसके नीचे मैंने 4 मोटर लगा दिए, एंड आई वाज लाइक इसको लगाऊंगा अब मैं, तो यू नो आई फ्लाई लाइक अलादीन। एंड आई स्विच्ड ऑन, इट वाज लाइक पार्क एवरीवेयर, एंड आई वाज लाइक ओह शिट, ये तो मैंने नहीं किया। ओके, I just cleaned everything, and I was sleeping the next moment. एंड इट्स लाइक ये छोटी छोटी चीजें थी ना कि जो क्यूरोसिटी बनाती
या
है। आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आपको कुछ नया बनाना है। जैसे मान के चलो, आज मैंने एक चीज बना लिया, आज मैंने एक छोटी मशीन बना लिया, तो अगली बार मैं सोचूंगा इससे ऊपर की कुछ बनाओ ना, ताकि बंदे को भी लगे ओ ज्यादा शॉकिंग चीजें मिले उसको। तो वो कंटिन्यू करते करते आपकी एक्चुअली ग्रोथ हो रही है। ओके, भले मैं इसलिए कर रहा हूँ ताकि हर बार वो सामने वाले की एक्सपेक्टेशंस पूरी हो रही है, कि उसको हर बार शॉक्स मिल रहे कि यार ये बंदे ने ये भी बना लिया, ये भी बना लिया, ये भी बना लिया। बट समवेयर और द अदर ये मेरा पैशन है, वो भी ग्रो हो रहा है। यू नो इट इट नीड्स, अगर मुझे कोई देखने नहीं आ रहा, मुझे कुछ नहीं हो रहा, अगर एक्सटर्नल कम्युनिकेशन बंद है, तो आई एम नॉट मोटिवेटेड, आई एम नॉट ड्रिवन दैट मच। So you need somebody to taunt, you need somebody to appreciate, you need somebody to tell you that you are a failure, you need somebody to tell you that you are successful. तो ये सभी लोग होने चाहिए। ऐसा जो लोग कहते हैं ना कि वो लोग मेरे जिंदगी में ज्यादा है जो नो टॉन्ट मारते हैं या सपोर्ट नहीं करते हैं, तो नो वो लोगों की इम्पोर्टेंस सबसे ज्यादा होती है, बिकॉज वही आपको फोर्स करते हैं कि तू आगे बढ़।
यस सर, दैट्स ट्रू। And so the very interesting question is that which is a favorite paradox that keeps you up at night?
Have you heard about grandfather paradox?
No.
Okay. Let's see how do you react. If
Okay.
you have a time machine,
All right.
you go to an era where your grandfather was a kid or at a very very young age, and
Okay.
you shoot him. Okay, you kill him basically. So your father was never born,
Yeah.
nor were you. And if you weren't born, who killed your grandfather? Okay, that's
Yeah.
a very beautiful paradox, I think. Like it's basically based on space-time continuum and time travel. But I find it like, I try to find its answer, but it's like almost impossible. That's why it's called paradox. But you know, I think about it a lot. Like, if there are some possibilities, maybe parallel universe or something like that. But it just, keep me awake the whole night.
Yeah. Even it's gonna keep me awake for another couple of nights as well now, I guess. It's really deep.
It's very small paradox, but it's very deep as well.
Yeah, that's what. Also, yeah, regarding this question, is it possible for an object to attain the speed of light? And if it does, so if an object can travel at speed of light, what happens to time?
If an Yes, it's possible, and that particle is called photon. Okay, basically,
Yeah.
and if I talk about a regular particle, it can travel with the speed of light near a black hole, maybe, where there is a lot of force which attracts and which increases your velocity and acceleration. It's possible, and with time, it stops. If you are traveling with the speed of light, let us assume a hypothetical situation. If we both are standing in a place, and if I start running with speed of light, and if I stop after 24 years, in
Yeah.
my watch, it's less than a second, but for you, it's 24 years or so. So time stops for you.
So isn't it like if like just this example, if you travel with the speed of light, won't you like turn into energy or something?
I will, but hence I, pre stated that it's a hypothetical situation.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You'll turn into energy for sure, because particles cannot cannot be in that force, because if they have mass, they cannot travel with speed of light.
Yeah.
So
That's fine.
hence I'll be an energy. But if in a hypothetical situation, if I am still the same,
Yeah.
time will stop for me.
Okay. So this concept can be used in time travel as well, right? इसी
To
का
be
कुछ.
honest, we all are traveling time.
Yeah.
We all traveling time with different speeds. Okay, your time is not equal to my time. It depends on gravity. It depends on the floor you are living in. It depends on what vehicle you are traveling. We all are traveling time. It's just that it's very minute, that we almost neglect it. It's very tiny. Even there is a very great experiment, for normal people who don't understand the relativity. It's a very small thing, but people who understand relativity, there are twins, okay, and one of them was an astronaut, and
Yeah.
they were born at the same time, but currently one of them is 3 seconds younger, because he traveled time. It was very minute, but yes, he did. I'm not sure it was exactly 3 seconds or something, but around that. But it's still considerable for a leap.
That's something to study about. That's great. And so, like, one question regarding space as well. How is space exploration related to space contamination?
It's like mm, it's like if you are traveling somewhere,
Yeah.
you carry weight with you.
Yeah.
If you want to come back with less weight, what will you do? You dump the waste there itself,
Yeah.
right? And that's what we do. Most of the satellites, most of the rocket parts are still in space, and that's a very big coming upcoming issue, because if there is a lot of, we call it space junk, okay, so
Yeah.
there's a lot of space junk, and uh, like for instance, we are talking on an internet call. This is possible because of the satellites provided above. Okay, if you do not have satellites, you do not have internet, you do not have good communication, you do not have, you cannot book Uber, you cannot order food from Zomato. You know, a very small thing, what you think is an essence of your life, is not working, because there is no space technology. If there is a lot of junk, there is very high probability that something will strike to the satellite, and that will damage the network. There is not just network, there's agriculture, there's security, there's weather forecast, there's a lot of things which are dependent on satellite, and there is a big chance that they can get damaged. Also talking about ISS, International Space Station, also
Yeah.
talking about rockets, things are moving with speed of like 70,000 kilometers per hour, and that's huge. And
Yes.
imagine a small ball having 70,000 kilometer per hour, speed of 70,000 kilometer per hour, striking to your satellite. It's still small, but it can create a great, it can create a great impulse, and that can destroy your satellite. So yes, it's very dangerous.
True. So it had a follow-up question like, should space exploration be continued at the risk of space contamination?
If you are good enough to sacrifice your Uber, if you're good enough to sacrifice Google Maps, if you're good enough to sacrifice Zomato, yes. But if you want all these, we need to continue space exploration. We need to continue space technology. Also, if I not talking just about internet, talking about weather forecast, we
Yeah.
need we need space technology. We need satellites, and it will be contaminated. So the best thing to do now is find a solution for it, or just thinking to stop one and continuing another. That is the most appropriate thing you can do.
Yeah, that's practical enough.
That's what we all are researching right now. Every single space agency is focused on this topic, that how to reduce space junk. That's that was the theme for 2019, I guess.
All right. Yeah, that's great. And listen, actually, we are done with all the questions we were asked. There was just this one last question. We wanted to know about some of your experiences, the good ones, the bad ones,
Academics or the, personal life related or career related.
all.
Sorry, all. Okay. Um, have you heard about the game Clash of Clans?
Yeah,
It was a trending game back then, and I was like, I guess I was 16, and I was playing that, and I was the in charge for defense. I was the head of defense, and I was the head of education for BRICS Summit. For people who don't know BRICS, it's the union of Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. So I was dealing for defense for all five countries, and I was a kid. Okay, so I had a war in my Clash of Clans game, and I was sitting in the round table conference. I was the leader there, and I had my head down because I was playing that game. I was having war, okay, and there was defense deal going on, and I was like, they asked me, what if we face a war? I was actually facing a war in my game. So what I said was attack, and that was documented, and that was taken into consideration, and they signed a deal on that. That was a very big mistake I think I made. And also talking about uh, it's very interesting story, like when I was in my hostel.
yeah,
Okay, uh, especially talking about hostel where you are living at your most,
yeah,
people give you weird challenges.
they do.
Okay, so what I was asked, to run naked at 3 o'clock in the morning, and I was running naked, and I saw we were not allowed to leave our rooms after 10. Okay, so
Yeah.
I saw a security guard. He was sleeping, and I felt bad that he's not doing his job. So what I did was I wake him up. I tried to wake him up, like भैया आप ड्यूटी करो, and he was so scared कि भाई आपको क्या देख लिया. Okay, and he was sure कि कोई आत्मा ही है. Okay, and he was like he started to go through all the mythological thing people have. He started to chanting Hanuman Chalis and stuff. He tried to sprinkle some water on me. I don't know what.
Oh god.
And it was hell weird. I do weird things. Like if I talk about my life, yes, people who know me knows I'm weird. I do weird things, and like every single essence of my story. If I talk about anything, it's weird. Trust me, and that keeps me creative. Like, to be honest, if people talk. Even if when I used to be in relationship, I used to be very scientific. That is one of the weird things they told me was weird. Like, for instance, if you talk about any example, like if they talk about, there was an incident, she asked me, my ex-girlfriend asked me how much I love her. And I wasn't very sure about the answer. So I took 3 days. I calculated and I gave it to her. Like, this is the exact figure.
Oh,
Like, that was weird. I wasn't sure that was weird, but they told me that it was weird. So these are the type things.
no, trust me, that is weird.
I got to know that later. But the thing was, yes, I learned that I need to be, creative. And yes, this might be a sign of it.
And sir, any advice you want to give like to the viewers watching this?
Hmm. First, celebrate today. It's 13th. Try hard for tomorrow. The first advice. And whatever it comes, trust me, my rejections were my motivation. It was a few times like I knew there was a yes coming, but I stopped because I wasn't sure about the relationship. So first of all, about tomorrow, be very cautious. Second thing, do whatever you want. It might feel weird, it might feel awkward, it might feel crazy, but that is the thing that is going to take your mind ahead, that is going to build your creativity, that is going to make you unique. Okay,
Yeah,
so if you are thinking about any career in science, may that be engineering or research, just be crazy. That's that's the only option. There was a guy who was, wasn't sure what he was doing. He just thought people are booking hotels, and he just tried to give the service to them, which people found was crazy, was worthless, because you can get not more than a penny there. But today you
yeah,
know what OS is, and you can buy the shares by the way it's going to be hit tomorrow.
that's great, sir. So, like, first of all, thank you so much for sparing all this time out for us. It was really great having you. I'm sure, like, we got a lot of norms broken and learned a lot of new things, which we sure are gonna implement. Me personally, I am gonna implement. And yes, sir, I thank you on behalf of all our viewers, and I wish you all the very best for all your future endeavors. Maybe for the country or maybe for the world or whatever. Hope you
Thank
excel like a lot. Except I also wish you luck for 14th of February.
you. I'll wish the same for everybody,
They'll be really happy.
and I'll try not to celebrate this 14th scientifically. I'll try not to.
Please. Yes, sir. Then I hope to stay in touch with you.
Sure. See you then.